Hey guys, and welcome to our channel. I'm Amanda, and in this video, I will explain you where you can sell your Canva design. The Canva Marketplace is a virtual marketplace created by Canva, a popular graphic design platform for designers to showcase and sell their designs to a global audience. It's a hub for creativity and a fantastic opportunity for talented graphic designers, like you, to monetize their skills. How to get started. 1. Create a Canva account. If you don't already have one, you'll need to sign up for a Canva account. It's a straightforward process and can be done for free. 2. Build your designer profile. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Canva Marketplace section. Here you can set up your designer profile. This is your personal space to introduce yourself, showcase your portfolio, and let potential buyers know what you're all about. 3. Upload your designs. You can start uploading your Canva designs to the marketplace. This can include templates, graphics, illustrations, or any other digital assets you've created using Canva's tools. 4. Set prices. You have the flexibility to set your own prices for your designs. Canva helps you determine a competitive price based on similar listings, but you can adjust it as you see fit. To maximize your success on the Canva Marketplace, it's a good idea to engage with the community. This can involve collaborating with clients, responding to inquiries, and even participating in design challenges and events. The more active and interactive you are, the more exposure your designs will receive. I wish you good luck with selling your designs on Canva. If you need more tips and tricks, please comment below. And don't forget to subscribe and like this channel. Thanks for watching, guys.